When someone gets their Xavier MBA, it says a lot about who they are, their dedication, their intellect. There's a lot of power in that X.
One of the reasons I was attracted to the part-time program is the flexibility of it. You really can go as quickly or as slowly as you'd like. When you're working full-time and in school, it's quite a delicate balance.
We're one of the few programs that allows you to move in and out of the majority of the classes whenever we offer them, whether that's daytime, evening, or online.
I knew I wanted to work full-time because I wanted to be able to apply what I was learning kind of on the job. I would learn things literally on a Wednesday night class that I would apply to what we were doing at work the next day, and I found that to be really incredibly helpful.
Our faculty are very dedicated to getting to know the students of the MBA program. That idea of cura personalis that we take very seriously on the grad level.
It was very much like we're all in this together. You know, I've got your back, you've got mine. So I thought that was really, really special.
We've adjusted to what the market's needed, and I think that can be found in all the topics that we cover and the experiential learning that we do, the pro bono clients we take on, and that's what this whole thing is. It's an investment for them. People who want the best choose Xavier.
Hit your mark with the Xavier MBA.